Good afternoon. I'm discussing chemical analysis. Chemical analysis means the process of the identifying, separating, and quantifying the components of a sample to determine its composition, purity, and properties. Chemical analysis is used in different industries and fields. For example, food and beverage for quality control, pharmaceutical for quality control, petrochemicals for quality control, forensic science to, to determine the composition of unknown substance. Chemical analysis is classified. Okay, chemical analysis is classified as, first of all, qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative means what is that? What is that the substance? For example, a glass of water. The water in the glass. If we study quantitatively a full glass of water, a half glass of water, a glass of water, 2 glasses of water, that is the quantity. Water is quality. Number of glass, full glass, half glass, that is the quantity. So chemical analysis also qualitative and quantitative analysis. In case of quantitative analysis, it is divided into gravimetric analysis, volumetric analysis, and instrumental analysis. Volumetric analysis again classified acid-base analysis, redox analysis, complexometric analysis, and precipitation analysis. Qualitative analysis in chemistry, quality analysis is a method for determining the presence or absence of chemical elements or compounds in a sample. For example, salt analysis is qualitative analysis. Quantitative analysis in chemistry, quantitative analysis is the process of determining the amount of chemical or chemical constituents in a sample. For example, determination of normality of sulfuric acid. Classification of quantitative analysis, gravimetric analysis. It is a quantitative method in chemistry that determines the amount of substance in a sample by measuring its mass. It's based on the principle that mass of a substance is directly proportional to its quantity. Boston funnel, vacuum pump. It is the gravimetric analysis, volumetric flask. Volumetric analysis is a chemical and analytical procedure based on the measurement of volumes of reaction in solution. This is the titration, that's the volumetric analysis. Instrumental analysis is field of analytical chemistry that investigates, analyzes using scientific instruments. Sample, stimulant, light, heat, current, voltage. And the detector detects and signal, processor, amplifier, digitizer, and readout, meter, plotter, and computer. This is the instrumental analysis. In sample, we interact as stimulant like light, heat, current, and voltage. Then the detector detects out the input, and as a signal is the amplify, and read out in the computer. For example, GC GC is the pharmaceutical industry to produce pure products and analyze compounds for trace contaminants. Similarly, SPLC is used to analyze biological samples from patients with Parkinson's and heart disease. NMR use protein structure profile amino acids, identify carotenoids, carotenoids. AS used to track pollutants in environment. Electrochemical analysis measures the electrical potential in chemical species. Spectroscopy investigate interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiation. Gravimetric analysis relies on a critical mass measurement. Volumetric analysis relies on the critical volume measurement. Classification of volumetric analysis, acid-base analysis, is the quantitative method of determining the concentration of acid or base in a solution. Involves neutralizing the acid or base with a solution of known concentration and monitoring the reaction with a pH indicator. The endpoint of the titration is when the indicator changes color. It's the titration. Redox analysis is a chemical reaction where the electrons are transferred between the reactants, that is oxidation and another one, reduction, that is increase number of one atom to increase and another to decrease the oxidation states, that is loss of electron and gain of electrons, that is oxidation reduction. And loss of electrons, oxidation, gain of electrons, reduction. A and B, a loss of electron, oxidation, A, and B, gains of electrons, reduction. Complexometric analysis is the oscillatometry in a volumetric analysis techniques that use the colored complex to identify the endpoint of the titration. Complexometric titration is a form of volumetric analysis in which the formation of the color complex is used to indicate the endpoint of titration. Complexometric titration particularly useful for determination of mixture of different metal ions in solution. For example, complexometric titration determination of calcium, magnesium, zinc, and nickel. Precipitation titration. Precipitation titration is a technique that involves the formation of insoluble precipitate when a titrant reacts with the analyte. For example, determination of concentration of chloride ions in solution by titrating it with known concentration of silver nitrate solution. Okay, it's all about chemical analysis. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your patience, and that is now. Bye bye. See you again.